So about a week ago, I did a video on Mylar bags and how to set them aside. And I mentioned a very reputable company. It's Pack Fresh USA. And I wanted to talk to you guys a little bit about it because there's actually a lot going on with this. Now, I think we're making a big mistake here if we're thinking about Mylar bags in the sense of, hey, I've got my Mylar bags, I'm good to go. Well, you know what? Every time you go to the store and you buy stuff to put away as a prep, you're going to need these Mylar bags. So you have to think of them as preps as well. What we tend to do is buy the stuff that we're going to set aside as a prep, like in this video right now. And then we go, oh, I need some Mylar bags. Well, guys, listen, if you buy the bags as preps, then when you go to the store and you come home, you'll have the bags available. Now, the good news is that the sale is still going on. I've been able to talk the company into continuing this sale for hopefully at least another week. Get in there. It's 50% off. It is the biggest savings there are as far as preparedness goes, as far as getting the bags that you will need to store your food long term. Hopefully you guys will be able to take advantage of this. Remember that these items are preps themselves. 50% off, not a joke. Sale, hopefully I can make it last another week. And of course, stay safe, have a great day, and hey, hit that like, hit that subscribe button. It really does help the channel. Hope you guys have a great day. Bye-bye.